Hi ladies, Jane here. Nice to see that you have purchased your waist bead or probably thinking to purchase one, and you're also looking for help on how to be able to tie this. Don't worry, I'm happy, more than happy to help, to show you on how you can tie the waist bead and also not waste the extra waist bead. So why don't you just get it down to this video and I will help you out. So there are several things you'll be needing to tie your waist bead: pair of scissors, and of course a small cup. Before you start, you need to determine where you want to wear your waist bead. So take the waist bead string and measure it around your desired waist area.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, see you, my babe.
Once measurement, move excess bead over to the end, making sure that they are not in the way.
I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord.
So ensure that there are no gaps in between the beads.
Everything being safe again, everything for your jembele, oh jembele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no.
After you have done this, check again if this is the desired place you want to wear your waist beads, because once you have cut this waist bead, there is no going back. And then tie this bead into 3 or 4 knots. Make sure you pull tightly between each knot so it doesn't get loose. So if you're sure, cut off the excess string. So don't cut the strings too short. Allow for at least 1 centimeter string to remain. So this is also an option. You can burn the ends of the string if you prefer. That's optional. So we don't want to waste the SSB. So what you can do, you can keep this waist bead.
I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord.
Or you can just turn them into an anklet bead. Guys, what do you think about this? Thank you for watching. I really hope this video must have helped you in any way. And if you have not yet purchased your waist bead, head on to AfricanFabs.com and get yours. We have a lot of different colors, a lot of different styles. There should be something for you there. But see you then. Bye.